Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Bitcoin surged past $40,000 as Fed hikes interest rates. Bitcoin, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 have all reacted positively to the Fed's policy, which came in line with expectations. But during the waiting and after the announcement, the markets were volatile and my manual trading couldn't keep up. So this is what I did. I've used the Bitsgap Gridtrading bot. At the end, we'll look at the chart and you can see how many trades it did for me. But what is Bitsgap? Bitsgap all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Best crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio demo trading, everything you need to easily manage your assets in one interface. Platform features include the trading bot, the trading terminal, the portfolio, and the demo. We'll have a look at all four of these opportunities. And they're even giving you 7 days free trial when you sign up. So make sure to hit the link down below in the description. Trade smarter on any crypto exchange. The Bitsgap multi-exchange trading platform offers some great tools to help you trade more efficiently with no extra trading fees. The trading terminal packed with extra features. TradingView charts fully supported. 100 plus most popular indicators. 50 plus smart drawing tools. 12 customizable chart types. Trade visualization. Change cancel orders from the chart and the day and night modes. Get an edge over the market with basic and advanced order types. Now this is unique because these order types is not available on all exchanges. Smart orders. Protect your funds by setting simultaneously stop loss and take profit orders. If the price takes a turn for the worse, the platform will complete orders for you while you're away. Shadow orders. Make stealth trades off the order books without reserving your available balance on exchange. Orders will be placed only once the price reaches your goal. The stop limit orders. This order will be executed at a specific or better price after a given stop price has been reached. Once the stop price is reached, the stop limit order becomes a limit order to buy or sell at the limit price or better. Market or limit orders. Instantly buy or sell crypto at the best available current price by market or execute order once the market reaches your limit price. And here is the unique part about Bitsgap. Your money is yours. Only you have access to your funds, securely held at the exchange and connected by API keys. Bitsgap does not have any access to your money. API enables the platform to execute trades and build your portfolio. The API has been designed with security in mind. All information kept entirely confidential. Now that's a unique feature. You can use all of this to your benefit and your funds stays in your control. Crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now this is what I'm using mostly and has been for over a year is the Bitsgap Gridtrading bot. Set automated trading bots on Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, and over 25 other cryptocurrency exchanges. Profit from every market movement. The Bitsgap bot is a great ally in a fluctuation market. When the price moves, the algorithm will automatically set buy and sell orders when there is best opportunities to make profit. Connect your exchange and simply let the system do the hard work. Check your bot performance in demo mode or backtest for free before making an investment decision. How does Bitsgap crypto trading bot work? Automated crypto trading bots maximize profit from every market movement. Fully automated bot that works 24/7. Backtested, ready to go strategies. Now the features. Smart strategy design. Create your bot trading strategy with just a few clicks. Test before investing. Backtest will demonstrate how your setting would respond to profit and loss. Ready to go strategy. Select from predefined strategies based on successful backtest results. Remember, backtest results means past results, don't guarantee future results. TradingView charts. Access your bot performance with the fast TradingView charts. No downloads needed. With cloud-based online service, the platform is always up to date and it's safe and secure. Your funds are kept on the exchange balance at all times. And that means Bitsgap is only showing your balance. All your funds stays in your own exchange. Track and monitor Bitcoin and 1,800 plus cryptocurrencies. Bitsgap seamlessly imports and tracks all information from your crypto exchanges into one simple to use dashboard. It is automatic and free. Why you will love Bitsgap portfolio? No need to manually add transactions or coins. Accurate tracking based on your trading history. No more logging into multiple exchanges. All your crypto assets in one place for quick and easy management. Real-time view of your balances, trades, and performances. Free to use without limitations. And yet again, they hammer on this because it's important. Your money is yours. Only you have access to your funds. Securely held at the exchange and connected by API key, Bitsgap does not have any access to your money. API enables the platform to execute trades and build your portfolio. The API has been designed with security in mind. All information is kept entirely confidential. All the tools to efficiently trade and manage cryptocurrency. The trading interface, the trading bots, portfolio, desktop and mobile access, and much, much more. The demo. There's not many opportunities out there in the crypto industry that gives you a demo opportunity. Get started in crypto trading without risking your own money. Sign up for our free demo account today and to gain experience on a real market data with demo funds. It is just one click to get started. Best way to explore trading. Your Bitsgap account will be funded with simulated demo money, allowing you to gain trading experience with zero risk. Test your strategies and build confidence while getting familiar with the cryptocurrency market. Practice trading with 1 Bitcoin and 1,000 USDT virtual funds. 11 most popular crypto exchanges to play with. Live market experience. Test strategies on the go with a mobile web version. And to try the portfolio and the trading bots. Start trading for more efficiently with Bitsgap. It's easy. Sign up, switch to demo mode, and you start trading. Looking at their team. We are a team of traders, security experts, marketers with a goal to make a global platform to trade and manage crypto efficiently. Being passionate about creating complex projects, we try to simplify our trading tools to make them easy to use for anyone. We haven't conducted an ICO and haven't got millions of dollars from investors. The project is supported on our own money, and every dollar spent goes for development, new features for our users. And this is very unique. You don't pay them and wait to get paid. You're paying a monthly subscription to use their interface, their back office, and their features. I've been using Betscap for more than a year already, and I've never looked back. The grid bot is my favorite option. Let's see what did my charts do during the Fed announcement. As you can see, we had rapid movements up and down, going as low as a 31% spike, and then back down again. We've seen an 18% drop, and from there, we've seen another spike of 14%. And this is in a short period of time. Every dot you're seeing, red and green, is trades that's been made. Greens is where the grid trading bot has made buys, and red is where the grid trading bot made sells. Now, I wouldn't have been able to do this manually, and that's the benefit of having the grid trading bot. I trade manually as well, just to diversify, doing my own trading and using the grid trading bot. If you haven't signed up yet, sign up. Link will be down in the description. Use the demo account. Test it out. It's worth it. Have a great one. Leave your comments and concerns down below. Take care.